Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the basic difference between list and array. We use Numpy for making an array. So basically array is more efficient, and in this video we are going to see what actually happens and why we recommend Numpy array instead of list. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to learn more about Numpy, link in the description, the total Numpy playlist you will get there. Okay guys, so first of all you can see that we have imported sys, and this is for calculating the size of a list, and then we have made a list here. In this list variable we have taken a range and we want 100 elements. Okay guys, and then we have created a for loop to print out all the list elements. Okay guys, so if you shift plus enter, you will or run your program, you can see we are getting 100 elements, that is 0 to 99. This is this output comes by using list. You can see, yes, then we will get the output 0 from 99. And if we want to calculate the memory of the list, what we will need to write, you can see we have printed sys, we have called the function sys function that will help us to calculate and get size of the list. Sorry, we have made a mistake. Get size of the list. So this part will identify the each element size, and then we have multiply it with the list, how many elements we have got. So we know we took 100 elements, and then we have multiply it with the each element size. And now if you run this, we will get 4080. So this is the total size that this list is taking. And if you remove this part and run this program, you can see we are getting 48, and this is huge. The list is taking 48 value for each of the elements. And now come to the array part, that is comes from Numpy. So we are actually taking Numpy as np, and we are creating a variable, and in the variable we have called np.arange of 100 elements, that is the same as this. We made a list of 100 elements. Now we are making a an array of 100 elements, and if you run this, you will get the same output, but it is actually an array using Numpy. So we are getting also 0 to 99 guys. And now if we want to calculate the size of this array, what we need to do, we have to just call array.size, that will be the each element size, and array.item size, that will be 100. Okay guys, now if you run this, you will get 400. So you can see the difference. For 100 elements it is using 400, maybe it will be bytes, and for the list it is it was 4080, and for each element it is taking 48, that will be bytes maybe. Okay guys, that is for the list. And if we remove this part, and now if we remove this part actually, and now run the program, you can see it is the list the array Numpy is taking just only 4 bytes for each of the elements, and in case of the list it was taking 48 bytes. So it is a huge difference. If we calculate it, that will be 44. So it's huge difference. So you can see the difference between the memory taking by array and list. This is why Numpy array is more efficient than list. So this is all for today guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.